Today's recipe is homemade butter biscuits. I made these recently at home and thought that they came out great. So if you're interested in great tasting recipes like these, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content like this. To my bowl, I added 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. I took a whisk and mixed it together. Next, I added ½ cup of very cold butter. The butter was grated and placed back into the freezer for 15 minutes to ensure that the butter was very cold. Using my fingers, I massaged the butter into the flour. Next, I added 1 cup of very cold milk. Stir until all the flour has been incorporated. Do not overmix the batter. Generously flour your work surface. Flour your hands and press out the dough to form a rectangular shape. Fold the dough in half and press. Repeat this process about 4 times. Add flour only if the dough gets too sticky. Now take a cookie cutter and press straight down into your dough. The dough can be between half to 1 inch thick. Now place the biscuits onto your tray. Repeat the process with the extra dough. These biscuits were baked at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. They taste best served warm. These biscuits were so soft and perfect. Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.